Let's do a quick one using this silver compass measuring string then, or any other string that you've got. So I'm going to go from this picnic site here, I'm going to go around this loch, all the way around. I'm going to come up to this hotel here. So because we haven't got the notches before the 1 kilometre starts on this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start my measurement at the 1 kilometre mark, and then when I get to the end, when I know I've got less than a kilometre left, I can then restart from here, and then I'll get the 100 metres section and add that onto my 4 kilometres. So let's start here. So we'll start on 1 kilometre at the picnic site. So 1 kilometre, turn the string, hold the string, turn the string, hold. You might not be able to see the track there because it's on the back of the string, but I can see it. Okay, I moved a bit there. Okay, so I'm looking at that now, and I know I've got less than a kilometre left from where I am now with my finger to the end of the track here. There's less than a kilometre, so I can see on the path there's like a gate or something. So I know I've measured up to that point there. At the moment, I'm going to go back a couple of 100 metres to a full kilometre. So it's just behind that gate. I've got a full kilometre, which is 3. I'm just going to put my pencil there now, or I can mark it. Look, put a little mark there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the other end of it. So we had 3. I'm going to start again from the actual 0 point. So I'm going to put the 0 on that mark I've just made. Okay. And I'm going to keep measuring 3.2, 3.4 and a bit, 3.6 and a bit, up to the end is right there. It's 8. So using that, I've got 3.8. So that's just another, that's how you can use them then. Start at the first full kilometre, and then when you've got less than a kilometre left to go back to the start of the scale and add them 100 metres on.